Welcome to my channel. This is the first lecture of AC voltage controllers or voltage controllers. We will call it as voltage controllers. Regularly we are having the four types of AC voltage controllers. Normally we already know that the AC to DC, which converts the AC form to DC form, is known as the rectifiers, and DC to AC form is known as the inverters. And also we are having the another two types of converters, like DC form to DC to DC. Those are called as the choppers, and also AC to AC are called as the voltage converters. So now we are going to discuss about the AC to AC converters. Those are called as voltage converters, and also we are having the two types of different circuits belong to the AC to AC converters only. Those are based upon, the first one is upon the cycloconverters, and second one is about the AC voltage controllers. The basic difference between the both cycloconverters and AC voltage converters are, in one of the cycloconverters, which converts the one form of the AC to another form of DC AC, but only it doesn't change the voltage levels. That means it doesn't change the, as the multi-level inverters or multi-level converters like that, there isn't changes the voltage levels, but they change the frequency ranges. So it changes the different types of frequencies. So that's why we will call it one of the AC to AC converters is the cycloconverters, and the another type of the converter is known as the AC voltage controllers, which converts the voltage levels. Here we are converting the voltage level from one level to another level. That's in normally generally we will call it as the from fixed AC to variable AC. Then we will call it as the voltage converters. So in that time we are maintaining the voltage levels to be changes, but the frequency remains always constant. So this AC to AC voltage converters also are also having the different types of names called AC voltage regulators and also phase controlled converters. Okay, so these are the another two types of, some of the people are saying that the phase controlled converters are also known as the phase angle controllers, or like that also. So don't need to be confused about all those things. Okay, and before going to the in depth of that AC voltage controllers, we need to know where we are using these AC voltage controllers. Like AC voltage controllers already used in different types of applications, like lights and fan controllings. We don't know how it is used in the basics of the lights and fan control, but it is used in the in depth of the voltage lights and fan controls. And another one is the speed control of the AC drives. Like we know that in most of the cases AC drives means we see that the induction motor only. Like in both the single phase and the three phase, we are having the some of the example known as the induction motors, and another one is called as starting of the induction motors. As we already see that the for the induction motor we need some of the starting methods. So for that thing also we need some of the AC voltage controllers. And another one is the transformer tap changings. In these transformer tap changings is used in the many of the old age earlier days, not in the present days, but we are using not much regularly we are using this transformer tap changings nowadays. And also another thing is known as the domestic and industrial heating purposes. These are only for the industrial applications, like heating purposes, where they are using for heating, like glass manufacturers, and also different types of where the industry is based upon the heatings. They use these AC voltage controls because they need the alternate voltage controllers voltage levels, but doesn't the frequency does not to be changed. So that in those cases they are using these AC voltage controllers. And some of the AC voltage controllers, normally these AC voltage controllers are built with SCRs only, and some of the application purpose, based upon application purpose, they use also as a triac. So what you also known as the what is triac and what is SCR, based upon those differences, those are advantages and disadvantages. They use the SCRs and they use the triacs. So normally how the AC voltage ACVC will look like as a circuit means, this AC takes the main supply from main supply at the input supply, and it gives the variable supply voltage to the load side. So in this box, like ACVC, it takes the difference between the how we are using the SCRs or diodes or triacs or whatever the difference it will be. Based upon these differences only, the circuits will get the different types of circuits of the AC voltage controllers. In some of the AC voltage controllers, they are using the SCRs, and some of the using the anti-parallel SCRs. And in place of the anti-parallel SCRs, most of the cases we use the triacs only. So based upon that differences only, we are having the different types of circuits or modifications. And also, what are the advantages of the AC voltage controllers? converters compared to other things. First initially what we see the any of the converters or inverters or whatever they will be, we see the efficiency, how it efficiently works. So one of the biggest advantage is that it is having the highest efficiency, and another one is the easy controllable device, and also the very compact size or a small size, and also the less maintenance, because when it is installed we doesn't need to take the any of the maintenance things. And also the very another one big advantage is the, as we know, the SCRs or the thyristors or triacs or what we are already having some of the power electronic switches other than the IGBTs, we need to make the commutation circuits to turn off that switches. So for that but these AC voltage controllers doesn't need the commutation circuit, because it initially takes this line commutation process for the turning of the commutation process. So it doesn't, it is a very one of the biggest advantages. One of the advantages is the high efficiency, and another one is the line commutation circuit, which doesn't makes the need of the another usage of the commutation circuits. And another one is we are also having the different types of AC voltage controllers, sorry, AC voltage converters. One is based upon the, already we are having the single phase and three phase. So first one is the unidirectional one, that is already also known as the half wave, and also second one is the bidirectional one, that is also known as the full wave. In the three phase also same thing, one is the unidirectional as the half wave, and is the bidirectional as the full wave. And also as we already know that every converters or everything, some of the advantages and some of the disadvantages also there. In this case also we are having some of the disadvantages, like in the AC voltage controllers we are having the disadvantages as load current is sinusoidal, which leads the whenever the load current is to be very perfectly sinusoidal, that involves in the harmonics at the supply current and also the load voltage. It makes the difference with whenever the load harmonics will introduced in the involved in the supply voltage, means it already it reflects in the load side, and also it reflects in the total the efficiency, it reflects in the total reduction of the output voltage levels. It doesn't reflects in the efficiency, it reflects in the output voltage levels. Normally what we are getting in the matrix converters or multi-level converters, multi-level inverters, where we are using is we are getting the different types of levels, and is nearly to the sinusoidal, which makes us to get the perfect sinusoidal output to the load side. But we, by this disadvantage, we are not getting the exact output voltages levels to the output side or the load side. So basic disadvantage is that it is having the harmonics introduced to the load voltage and also the supply current, both at both times we are getting the harmonics are introduced. So this is the basic difference, and this is the introduction for the AC voltage controllers. And next tomorrow we are going to learn about the different types of AC voltage controllers. In that we have first configuration to be the, I already said about that the first configuration is related to unidirectional, that or halfway, that unidirectional is related to the SCR based one. So we discuss about the how this unidirectional half wave AC voltage converter with SCR configurations, and how it is operated, and how it is what are the output waveforms and all those things on output equation. Tomorrow we will discuss about in that class. Thank you.